Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we will show you some more places around Queen Street in Auckland, New Zealand, like Unichem Pharmacy, Queen Street Invouge Bloom, McDonald's, the Cosmetic Clinic, Foot Locker, Western Union, Dyna Speak, Michel Hill, Pandora, mobile repair shops, Sail Away Souvenirs. Unichem Laboratories is an Indian pharmaceutical company, headquartered in Mumbai. It manufactures and markets pharmaceutical formulations across the globe, including the regulated markets of the USA and Europe. The company has made more than 500 product registrations across the world. It has more than 70 US ANDA filings, 45 approved ANDAs and more than 60 European submissions. The company holds 75 US DMF, 26 Certificate of Suitability to European Pharmacopoeia, CEP, issued by the European Directorate for the Quality of Medicines and Healthcare, EDQM, and several DMFs across the world. Invouge Bloom have a variety of happy birthday bouquets and flowers which are suitable for any age group and gender. Invouge Blooms is offering service relating to birthday flowers that are used to express your love towards some individual. We have a gathering of roses. McDonald's is the world's largest fast food restaurant chain, 15, serving over 69 million customers daily in over 100 countries, 16, in more than 40,000 outlets as of 2021. 17, 18, McDonald's is best known for its hamburgers, cheeseburgers and French fries, although their menu also includes other items like chicken, fish, fruit, and salads. Their best-selling licensed item are their French fries, followed by the Big Mac. 19. The McDonald's Corporation revenues come from the rent, royalties, and fees paid by the franchisees, as well as sales in company-operated restaurants. McDonald's predominantly sells hamburgers, various types of chicken, chicken sandwiches, French fries, soft drinks, shakes, breakfast items, and desserts. In most markets, McDonald's offers salads and vegetarian items, wraps and other localized fare. On a seasonal basis, McDonald's offers the McRib sandwich. Some speculate the seasonality of the McRib adds to its appeal. During March of each year, McDonald's offers a shamrock shake to honor St. Patrick's Day. Looking for the perfect sneakers or sports apparel in New Zealand? Look no further than Foot Locker. With stores across the country, Foot Locker is your one-stop shop when it comes to sneakers, shoes, and sports clothing. Our wide collection of shoes from Nike, Adidas, and other top sneaker brands, alongside a huge range of sports apparel, means you'll be able to find the perfect gear for yourself and the ones you love right here at Foot Locker. In New Zealand, sneakers are an integral part of so many outfits. When you're looking for Nike shoes in New Zealand, need a pair of Jordans, or are looking for the latest styles from Adidas, Foot Locker is the place to be. We're your go-to Nike online store in New Zealand and your best destination for sneakers online. We stock the latest drops and the freshest styles from all of the major sneaker brands. The team at Foot Locker is dedicated to helping you cop the looks you want, all across our men's, women's, and kids' ranges. Looking for Ultra Boost, NMD, Superstar, Air Max, women's Jordans, or anything else? You're in the right place. We also stock an extensive range of popular styles such as Nike's Tuned, Air Force One, Dunk, Blazer models, and more, so you'll never be short of a great pair of kicks. The Western Union Company is an American multinational financial services corporation headquartered in Denver, Colorado. Founded in 1851 as the New York and Mississippi Valley Printing Telegraph Company in Rochester, New York. 3. The company changed its name to the Western Union Telegraph Company in 1856 after merging with several other telegraph companies. In 1866, Western Union acquired the American Telegraph Company and the United States Telegraph Company, its two main competitors, for a time gaining a virtual monopoly over the American telegraphy industry. 14. The company also began to develop new telegraphy-related services beyond the transmission and delivery of telegrams, launching the first stock ticker in 1866. 15. A standardized time service in 1870 and wire money transfer in 1871. Are you living in New Zealand but struggling to be understood? English with Dyna Speak can be your passport to Kiwi life. Make friends, access further study and upgrade your career. Flexible times, shorts courses, excellent teachers and great locations to suit your life. 18-week course, 5 locations, focused English skills, daytime and evening options, no tuition fees for residents, conditions apply. Eligible for student allowance. Dyna Speak is the premium school of English within one of the largest tertiary-level community colleges in New Zealand, Te Wānanga o Aotearoa. As part of the New Zealand government state education system, Dyna Speak is 100% New Zealand owned and operated with excellent standards of quality. Michel Hill International Limited is a specialty retailer of jewellery. As of April 2023, it operates 281 stores in Australia, New Zealand and Canada. The group employs approximately 2,600 permanent employees. The company's headquarters are in Brisbane, Australia. The company grew steadily, expanding to 10 stores by 1987, the same year it listed on the NZX. Also in this year, Michel Hill Jeweller expanded into Australia, opening 4 stores in 4 weeks. In 2000, Michel Hill Jeweller had 40 stores in New Zealand, including 12 in Auckland. The company started in 1979, when Michel Hill and his wife, Christine, opened their first store in the New Zealand town of Whangarei. A unique retail jewellery formula that included dramatically different store designs, a product range devoted exclusively to jewellery and almost saturation levels of high-impact advertising elevated the company to national prominence. The company also received several international awards for window dressing from renowned brands such as Bulova, Olympic and Omega. In 2002, the company expanded into Canada, opening its first stores in Vancouver, British Columbia. Michel Hill now has a presence in 5 Canadian provinces: British Columbia, Alberta, Saskatchewan, Manitoba and Ontario. In September 2008, the company entered the United States market by acquiring 17 stores in Illinois and Missouri from Whitcoulls Jewelers. By mid-2013, over 60% of overall sales were from Australia, only 20% from New Zealand, with the rest from North America. In April 2018, Michel Hill closed their 9 remaining stores in the US. In April 2023, Michel Hill announced it would acquire Australian jewellery chain Bevilles and its 26 stores for $45 million. In 2024, Michel Hill appointed Miranda Kerr as its brand ambassador. In late 2006, following a 5-year trial, the company launched its own brand of watches under the Michel Hill name, phasing out all but the Citizen brand of watches by the middle of 2007. By mid-2008, only Michel Hill brand watches were available in the company stores. Pandora Jewellery offers style and elegance. Shop for rings, bracelets, charms and more at a Pandora store near you in Auckland, NZ. Pandora began designing its beloved charms in the year 2000. Each charm has a meaning, or in some cases, many meanings. Whether it's a celebration of color or pattern or a tribute to a country, occasion, activity or most importantly, a person, each charm is designed to tell the personal story of its wearer while showcasing their unique style. Our charms are worn with love on bracelets and necklaces, created especially to be worn in ways unique to those who wear them. Pandora opened 2 concept stores in Auckland, New Zealand, its first branded stores in the country. Launched at Westfield's Newmarket and Albany shopping centres, the kiosk-style stores come as a result of the brand's increased growth in the Kiwi market. Lindsay Evans, manager for Pandora New Zealand, told Jeweller that finding locations was a long process, but decided on Albany and Newmarket, 2 of the most visited shopping centres in Auckland. Both stores are franchisee-owned, with Newmarket operated by Trevor and Carolyn Jordan, who previously stocked Pandora products through Ston's Jewellers, their outlet in Papakura. The Albany concept store is run by Joseph Tattersfield, who has been selling the brand for 3 years at his Walker and Hall store, also located in Albany. Albany store manager, Shelley Fickling, has confidence in both her staff's service ability and product knowledge. There is a mobile repairing shops nearby, and New Zealand Souvenirs and Gifts offers you unique online New Zealand gifts, New Zealand souvenirs and New Zealand clothing from New Zealand. Their range includes lanolin creams, kiwi fruit soap, bee pollen, tea towels, kiwis, sheep, coasters, caps, power, abalone, jewellery, candy, flags and New Zealand books. T-shirts, sweatshirts and jackets for adults and children. New Zealand beer gear with T-shirts, caps and bar towels for brands like Spates, Steinlager, Tui, Waikato Draft and Lion Red. NZ foot and underwear. Official All Blacks gear for infants and children, plus All Blacks souvenirs like flags, can holders, and 100% New Zealand owned and operated from New Zealand or Aotearoa, in Maori. Which means, land of the long white cloud, and is a green bunch of islands down under on the way to Antarctica. 80% of our wild flora is unique to New Zealand, with the silver fern as our national sports emblem. They are called kiwis, after the kiwi, a flightless bird about the size of a chicken, which is also indigenous to NZ. Kiwis export everything they can, even yachtsmen and rugby players. New Zealand souvenirs and gifts ships to countries around the world by insured air post and by courier within New Zealand. You can find lots of different gifts there in souvenirs. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel, keep visiting our videos and make sure to drop your comment for the upcoming amazing content.